materials for our car wash, we're going to need 2 buckets full of water, about 2 gallons each. We're going to need brushes for wheels and tires if you choose to do so. We're going to need a regular bath towel to dry off the car, and we're going to need a few microfiber towels to wash it. We're going to need our car wash, whatever you choose. I prefer turtle wax. And finally, optionally, you can use a hard wax for later. It'll make the process a lot longer, but you'll have to do less car washes in the future. Our first step is to pour soap into our buckets. So put a good amount in, mix it up with your hands a little bit, and when you put it on the car, it'll get really soapy and waxy. So we're going to use our microfiber towel to wash the car with water and soap. So oftentimes the big problem is that people use just a hose to shower and rinse it off, and that is what you use a lot of water in, and also rinsing the actual soap off. So first we're just going to dump our microfiber towel in here, and then we're going to go across the car, and we're just going to wash it as you would normally do so. Make sure to get all the dirt and grime off, because this is going to be your one and main wash, and you want to get it really clean so you don't have to worry about it later when you are waxing the car. So you should move from top to bottom, so when the water drips down, it doesn't drip all dirty water on what you just cleaned. Make sure to get pretty much everywhere, because there's going to be dirt and grime everywhere you go because you didn't rinse it off first. But if you do a good enough job cleaning, you shouldn't need to do that initial rinse. Remember, keep your towel wet so you don't scratch your paint. Alright, bring the bucket with you. Usually right behind the tires are where it gets really dirty, because that's right where your tires are picking up all the dust and grime off the road. So usually those are the most problem areas. Our next step is to wash off the car as best as we can with just water, trying not to dump buckets of water onto the actual car. So we're going to use a microfiber towel to wash off most of the soap before we dry it. So get your microfiber towel really wet, and again, once again, after you've gone over it a few times with soap, as in the previous step, you're going to try to wash all the soap off. Probably going to take you long. This is probably going to be the longest part of the actual car wash, but it's the part that saves you the most water. So we're going to go over the entire car, washing all this soap off, try to bring it off, and yeah. So our next step is to dry off the car with our bath towel, and let's do that. So our next step is going to be washing the tire. This is optional as well as the next steps, but it really puts your car to that next level of shine. So we're gonna worry about, like my car produces a ton of brake dust. So you really wanna get all that grime off the actual tire. We're gonna wax the car. It really adds a nice shine to it, and it also keeps dirt off the car, so you do less washes, save also more water. Since my car has a matte hood, I don't need to wax the matte, but the rest of the car, I'm just gonna really quickly go over with a solid wax. Our last and final step is to wipe off all of the wax with this microfiber towel. We're just gonna go over the entire car, and that's it. You're done washing your car in a really effective and water conserving way. Congratulations for making it through the entire process. As you've seen, it takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. Thank you.
Some of the work gets kinda hard, and this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you